Alright y'all, we're back with the other unboxing I mentioned in the last video. This is, as you can see in the title, the Mageseeker, and also right here, the Mageseeker, the Good Legend Collector's Edition. I mainly got it because I wanted the Sylas unlock figure, and Sylas is one of my favorite champions in the game. I'll say top 2. Number 1, of course, you already know, is LeBlanc. Had to get her unlock figure once I saw that was there, but that's why I was kind of sad when I found out. I wasn't say sad, just still disappointed. I don't know the word, because it's not really disappointed. It's like whatever, you know. It's like something you wanted, but it doesn't happen. So, but you have no power over to control how it goes. So you're just like whatever. But yeah, so I was hoping for Sylas world skin the faker would pick, but instead he went with Ari, which is cool. I understand. He said he wanted the world skin to go with for the fans, and fans love Ari. So, go with the fans, right? Faker is one of those fan favorites. Well, he is a fan favorite. Because he's the GOAT. So he wants to do stuff for the fans. Because he already had 3 other skins beforehand. And I think those are all the ones he personally picked. We got, what, Rise, Zed, and Syndra right now. Which I wish I could play all 3 of those champs pretty decent. And we got coming around Ari now, so maybe one day I'll stream and be like Faker only skins, like I always do, random skin things. Because I don't know, I have fun playing with the different skin lines, with different skins, so I can play other champions, you know, just me. But let's open this up. We're gonna have a lot of boxes to take out. Bam! So the packaging for Riot Games is pretty darn good, though. I'll give them that. It is pretty good. Now we have the ceiling on it. I'm gonna have to find the right spot to open to put my teeth on, because it doesn't look like anything there. And I have no nails to try to do anything. Cut my nails this weekend, so might not have been a good idea to cut them if I was going to open this up, right? But found a little spot here I was able to dig. So let's open this up by untaking this ceiling off. So it looks like it's going to have like kind of like the same feel as the unlock one, where you open it up and it's going to show the thing. So it says here, Mageseeker little tag. Even instructions on how to open the box, see? So they want you to go like this. Oh, let's get a, oh, that was kind of cool. Okay. Let's bring it down, bring it down. Since science is my favorite, I kind of want to make it a pretty good one compared to the unbox one. So you have it like that, you see? And then you open it and it's like, boom. So, what came with it was this is, I want to say, the figure. But it looks like it's snazzy around. But before we get to that, we end up getting a hard copy of the Lux comic. Like super hard copy. Which I love. I love this comic. It was one of my favorites. It's one of my favorites out of the ones they did. So I was happy. I saw that you got it, but I didn't remember paying attention. It was a hard copy of it. Next is the artwork of the Mageseeker, which I know a lot of people like artwork stuff. I know my girlfriend would love this. This shows Morgana and all the pixels, see? And all the stuff through the game. So I guess you fight Morgana in the game. I haven't seen anything on the game, so yeah. So I'm going to take these out because after that you have some art by itself. And I don't want it to get bent. So here's the art. Not too bad. I like it. I like this one better than the other one just because I love Sylas, which I need to start playing him a hell a lot more. So I can get a better feel for him, man. Him and LeBlanc are my favorite. I play LeBlanc all the time, but I need to work on my Sylas. I suck with the laning phase. And even out of laning phase, I just suck. I enjoy him, I just suck. Him and Aram is so much easier. But yeah, Aram in general is easier. But here's the vinyl. Just looking to try to see how to open it, but there's really no reason for me to open it. So you got side A, so I guess you flip it over like a cassette tape, even though everyone probably knows that already. But yeah, you can't really see it. Let me put this down so maybe I can get a better. It's all glary. So yeah, side A, this is Sylas Thematical Suite. And then you got the Prologue, the Escape Hideout. And the side B, you got Morgana Thematic Suite, Lux Thematic Suite, Demacia Ops, and Garen Thematic Suite. So pretty cool. Definitely won't be opening that up because I don't have a cassette thing. Let me see if there's some stuff in here. That's why I was like, gotta check everything, man. So they definitely do cool with the pin set, see? Definitely kind of cool. Like the presentation is amazing, but at the same time I feel like some presentations a little annoying, like this. But get the Sylas pin and Lux pin. That's one thing I wanted to do with my girlfriend. Have Sylas Lux bot lane. See how that goes. But she needs to get a little bit better so she can protect me, you know? Because like I'm Sylas, I have no range besides my Q. But once I get to the tower, they're gonna be pooping on me by auto attack. So that's why I'm like, no, you can't do that. You have to get better and protect me first. Well, I'll go Sylas support and you can go APC. But here's the Lux comic. Oops, I'm going to bend the shit already. Here's a little part of it. So I have the regular comic and I have this one now, so that's cool. But let's get to what we need to open last. And then I can start cleaning my room. So they put the, oh snap, so they actually, so maybe it's not the greatest idea to get the Sylas one in the unbox. I was hoping, because I was hoping it would have it like the LeBlanc, where it's just I could keep it in the box and it have the picture on the front. I'll open it up. Maybe I could put it up there on top of LeBlanc and move the Lee Sin figures and stuff out of the way, but it's all good. LeBlanc will stay in the box for now anyways. I just haven't took her out yet, so, but yeah. Here is the Sylas. So he has his chains, and over there is the Demacia flag on it. And then under here is the Garen sword. So it's pretty nice detail one. Let's open it up fully. There you go. Here it is outside the box. They have his arm wrapped. I wonder why. Is it like something bad right there? Huh. Guess we'll find out when I open this right here, right? Why in the hell did they wrap my arm? Here we go. So that's a pretty snazzy base. Almost made it look like underneath, almost made it look like you have lights or something coming on, because they had the screws and everything. Like maybe you can, maybe it does have a slight switch somewhere. And you need to put batteries in it? I don't see one. Let me see. Let's see. Maybe not. Just that's what it feels like, you know, because you see the screws on the bottom. Usually you unscrew stuff to put batteries in. So let's read the bottom. It says, made in China. But they don't have any buttons or switch to like turn it on. So I don't think it's anything dealing with that. But I guess we'll find out. I got unscrewed and we'll find out, right? Anyways, y'all, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. This is a pretty cool figure. I do like it. Can't wait to put it up on my shelf. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, y'all. If I find out later on that it is a little switch, I'll put it in my next Riot Games unboxing. You know, I'll let y'all know. Might be months down the road, but I'll let you know. Anyways, y'all, take care. Peace.